Hey, how's it going, Brandy? It's Devin. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm just going to briefly show you 3 things that you can do to fix your website really quick so you can start bringing in more customers for free. I know you're wondering why I would even make this video for you. It's really simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all their time taking care of their customers and running the business, and they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I found that by making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, there's still a lot of business owners out there who end up calling me back saying, you know what, Devin, I like you. Can you just do this stuff for me? Whatever way you want to do it, if you want to build it yourself a couple months down the road, or if you want me to help you with it, it's okay with me. I'm just giving out some free education. What I'm going to talk to you about really quickly is content, backlinks, and citations. And looking at your website, by the way, I think it's an awesome looking website. I love the design. The photos are really great right here. I love the red, white, and blue. It's very patriotic, and it's just such a clean look. It's a really a beautiful site. I love the look of it. Unfortunately, Google just doesn't rank you for that. What they care most about is like this stuff right here, the content, whatever they can read on there. And they want a lot of content because in their eyes, that means that you have a lot of information to help their customers. So the average website on the homepage of Google has about 2,000 words. So whenever you are ready to change it, just make sure you put about 2,000 words on here. It looks like you probably have about 400 to 500, okay? You're also going to want to make sure you have keywords in there. So like something like, I know you're in Keller, you can do AC Repair Keller or HVAC North Richland Hills. For this example, I'm just using AC Repair North Richland Hills. There's a lot of people searching for it. You want to have that in here. And if I go and lose Alt F, AC Repair, you don't even have AC Repair on the page. So make sure you have stuff like air conditioning, AC Repair, HVAC, all that kind of stuff on here. All right. So that's tip number 1. My second tip is called backlinks. Oh, and by the way, this is comparing to mid-cities. You can see how much content they have on here. It's very dense with content. All this too, all this. So you want to make sure they don't have 2,000 words, but you want to make sure you get to 2,000 words to blow them out of the water. Now, a backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. This is important because Google's like a popularity contest, and they want to make sure that you have more trustworthy websites linking to you than your competitors. They want to see relevant links though, so you want to make sure that you're getting links from websites that are like other HVAC companies. If you were getting links from like Pizza Hut, they would think that's weird because you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check this out, it's called Ahrefs. You don't have to use it. There's a bunch of other free tools out there. I just pay for this because it's really useful and gives you a lot of really valuable data. But it says that you guys have started getting links in August of 2016, and you currently have 20 websites linking to you. Mid-Cities AC has closer to 60 websites linking to them. So what I would do if I were you is I would blow them out of the water and get a total of like 70 or 80 websites linking to you. And the best way to do that is to copy them. You go see all these different websites that are linking to them. Go to these websites, create an account, and like put a link to your homepage in your profile, or click the contact us button and request that they put a link to your page just like these guys did. And if you follow just those 2 tips, so the content and the backlinks, that's enough to get you ranking in the organic section right here. If you want to get up in the top section, you got to pay for ads. That's up to you if you want to do that. But the last place you can show up on the homepage of Google, and really the best place, is right here, the Google My Business section. This is where the most traffic lands. Getting here leads to my third tip, which is citations. You have to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is anywhere where your name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories. The directory being like, Yelp and Yext and White Pages and Yellow Pages, stuff like that. If I were you, I would figure out what directory Same Day AC was sitting in. I would put myself in those same directories and then also put myself in a lot more. Like if they were listed in 250 directories, I'd be putting myself in 300, 400, something like that. So that's all I've got for you. I hope you found this really informative and helpful, Brandy. I try to keep it short and to the point for you. Just give you some tips for whenever you're ready down the road. As a quick recap, you're going to want to have 2,000 words on the homepage and make sure you have keywords that people would be searching for you. Also, you want to make sure that you have more websites linking to you than Mid-Cities AC. I'd go for like 80, 70, 80, something like that. And then the last thing is you're going to want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Same Day AC. And if you follow these tips I just laid out for you, you can be number 1 across all of Google. So you're probably wondering, what do I do now? Well, I know you said you're not building your website until a couple months down the road. You can either take this information, you can apply it yourself, and you can rank yourself to the top of Google and make a ton of money, and that's awesome. I hope you do that. I'm looking for people that just, profit from what I'm giving out, and all I'm looking for is some feedback on the information I give you. So if you do have any feedback on this info, please send it back to me. If down the road you do want any help getting this stuff done, or if you at least want like more of a guide that I can write out for you on how to do this yourself, just give me a call. I'll see if I can help you. If I can't help you, I'll at least push you in the right direction and let you know what to do. But either way, I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this quick 5-minute video, and I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to hearing back from you. Have a great day, Brandy. Thanks.